Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when no sound plays after you connect your headphones with the phone. Firstly, I recommend to restart your audio player. So let's say you listen to music in Apple Music, just remove this application from the application list and then open it again. Also, I recommend it to go to the App Store or Play Store and check if you have the latest version for this application and update if you haven't. Next step is to restart your phone. I use these headphones with the phone, so I need to restart my phone. If you use it with the tablet, you need to restart your tablet. And if it didn't help you, we need to perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, at your right ear cup we have volume controls, plus and minus button. You need to press and hold simultaneously both of them until the LED light near to the power button starts blinking blue. So let me do this. Here we go. Now you can release your fingers, and then we need to reconnect them with the phone. Go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list, click the information icon or settings icon near to your headphones. Forget the device and forget device. Now, if you have Android, click Pair New Device at the top, but not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, just go back and return to the Bluetooth, turn off or turn on the Bluetooth, or maybe you have refresh button, tap at this button. After factory reset, these headphones enter to pairing mode automatically, so you will see them as a device list and you need to tap at your headphones. That's it, we just reconnect them. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!